What's up, amazing people? Welcome back to Oztech. Today, we are not just looking at a case, we are upgrading the entire aesthetic and armor of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This is the legendary over engineered DBrand Grip case, and we are slapping on absolutely insane Carnage Skin. DBrand isn't just a company, they are the kings of precision and protection. I paid a premium price for this around $60 direct from the DBrand website. So the question is it worth the price of admission? Let's unbox it and find out. Time to get bloody. So DBrand always nails the packaging. It's clean, minimalistic, and it immediately sets a premium tone. No wasteful plastic, just a killer box design. So let's open the box. A nice packaging. So there it is. The box comes with the DBrand case, the grip case, as well as the Carnage Skin. We have a 2-pack grip case, one for the top and one for the back of the device. Along with it comes the Carnage Skin. So this Carnage Skin goes on the back of the case. Picking up the case for the first time, wow, solid. This thing feels substantial. It's a genuine armor. The term grip case is an understatement. The texture on both the sides is incredible. It feels more secure in the hand, no more drop anxiety. Let's dive into the details that matter. Protection first. Look at the camera module. The lip here is perfectly integrated, lifting those expensive lenses well off any flat surface. And the buttons. There is an adequate cutout for the buttons on the device. So that is a good thing from this case. The quality hasn't been sacrificed for the protection. There is ample amount of cutouts for the charging port, the speakers and microphones as expected from DBrand Laser Precise. Zero wiggling. And a small detail I love, the inside of the case has a soft lining to make sure the case itself isn't scratching your phone. Top tier attention to detail. Alright, enough of admiring. Let us get the Z Fold locked in. I'll just move the box out from the camera view. Here is the Z Fold 7 that I have with me. It's in the blue color. So let me try to first put the back of the case to the device. And for the front protection, there is a small sticker which we need to get rid of so that the front part of the case fits properly. Yeah. Once you put the case, just run over your fingers on the left side of the case so that it sticks well to the device. Perfect fit. It's snug. Zero cracking, zero movement. It feels like one solid unit. Yet, yes, it adds a bit of bulk, but that's a piece of for the price of protection. It still feels manageable, not like a brick. The grip makes all the difference here. Let me open the device and show you. Yes. Open, close is perfectly fine. Now let's test for the wireless charging and MagSafe. So first I have a wireless power bank. I'll just get it in front of the camera and place the device on top of it. Yes, the wireless charging is working on the device. We can clearly see that it's charging. Now let's check the MagSafe. So I got a MagSafe charger that I have, a MagSafe battery pack that I have in my room. Let me just place it on the back of the device. So the problem out here is it will not place directly on the device, so you will have to slant a bit. So here you can see that the device is charging. Now one thing about this thing is that the magnets don't seem to be extremely strong, but yes, it's not that bad as well. But again, you can still use the battery pack along with this device. The main reason it does not fit properly is because of the camera bump that is part of the case. Okay, I'm going to pause the camera now. I'll try to install the Carnage Skin on the back of the case and show you the final jaw-dropping look. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back. My God, this looks so good. The transformation is unbelievable. The plain rugged grip is now work of art. The Carnage Skin is just vibrant, unique, and it absolutely makes this phone stand out of the crowd. This is now my favorite skin they make. You can of course choose any brand skin, but I'm obsessed with this one. This actually matches with my other devices like the AirPods Pro as well as the iPhone 17 Pro that I have with the same skin. So the look of all these devices are matched. So final thoughts after the unboxing and my first impression. Is the DBrand Skin worth the $60 price tag? I'll break down this into the pros and cons. The pros are it has an unbelievable protection. When I say protection, even the hinge of the device is protected. And there is a nice textured feel that makes the device not slip from your hands at any given circumstance. This device has a legendary grip. You will drop your phone less. That Carnage Skin is a game changer. If you would want some other type of skins, the DBrand offers that as well. It has a premium build. The fit, the buttons, the MagSafe, it's all top tier. Some of the cons that I've noticed is the price. It's an investment, but you get what you pay for. And it adds a bit of bulk. It's not paper thin, but because it's a protection case, you will have to face a bit of bulk. If you hate dropping your phone, love custom style and prioritize protection for your expensive device, the DBrand Grip case is not just worth it, it's an essential. Again, I will just show you the grip case from all the sides. This is the back, the left side of the device with the hinge protection, the top part of the case on the right side, and the bottom. It's very easy to open the device as well, and it does not come out. So this is a great thing for the device. What do you think about this Carnage look? Have you used DBrand before? Let me know your favorite skin in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, and if you want more honest tech reviews, hit subscribe to OzTech. Don't forget the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.